Hi, I'm Esther Anderson, your trusted real estate expert in Frisco, Texas. And if you've been in your home for 5 years or more, you're likely sitting on significant equity. With today's high demand and limited inventory, sellers like you have the advantage of maximizing profit while buyers compete for move-in ready home. Home values in Frisco have soared, and my proven strategies ensure your property stands out, attracting top offers. Whether you are looking to upgrade, downsize, or relocate, I'll guide you every step of the way to make it seamless and profitable. Don't leave money on the table. Click on the link below to schedule an appointment to receive your free home equity review, or call me today. Let's make your next move your best move. And if you know of anyone thinking of selling, let me know and share my information. I really appreciate your continued support and referrals. Bye for now.